This is what we're doing. We're doing a super spicy anti-Valentine's Day look. Let's get into it. Now this is about to be a wild ride, so I'm gonna need your trust. We're gonna start with black eyeshadow, and we're gonna start packing that on the lash line. The brush has a little bit of angle on it. We're gonna use that to our advantage and start to wing it out this way, going into this dark burgundy maroon, and we're gonna start to pack that above the black. You're still here, right? Don't go anywhere. Now we're gonna grab this shade on a smaller brush, and we're gonna start to pack that above the first two shades. Just keep tapping and believe in yourself. You got this. Now grab your most pigmented powder foundation, and we're gonna tap this and cover all of the white, and it's gonna continue to transition and melt everything together. Add a little black eyeshadow through the crease, micellar water, concealer brush. We have to do our foundation before we can finish the eye. Okay, we have to get our complexion on before we even finish the eye. Let's pop on this lash. I always say that makeup is mostly just knowing how to correct mistakes. Look at that difference. Now we're gonna work in our concealer. Switch brushes to really sharpen underneath here. Set the under eye. Went ahead and set the rest of my face. Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Free Burgundy. I'm gonna go ahead and bring that out of the waterline as well. Smudging this with an E26. Adding my favorite bronzer. Skipping blush, we're moving on to the lip. Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Whatever Black. Ombreing that with Free Burgundy and applying Fenty Beauty MVP in the center. I thought it'd be fun to make this a wet eye look. And we'll just dab this right on top. I'm gonna add it to my lips too. And this is the finished look.